Welcome. If you're a Telegram group owner and want to prevent yourself or any future owner from managing live features in your group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, managing these permissions is easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps together to keep your group's live management under control. First, open your web browser and go to Telegram Web. Log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, find the group where you're the owner. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list and clicking on the group's name. Now, with the group open, look at the top of the chat window and click on the group's name. This will bring up the group's details page. Here, you'll see an edit icon, usually a small pencil or gear symbol near the group name. Click on that edit icon to access the group's settings. Inside the settings menu, look for the section labeled Administrators. Click to enter this section, and you'll see a list of all the admins, including yourself as the owner. Find your name or the owner tag in this list and click on it to manage your permissions. You'll now see a set of toggles for various administrative rights. Look for the option labeled Manage Live. This is the permission that allows the owner to start or manage live sessions in your group. To prevent the owner from managing live, simply disable this toggle. It should switch off, indicating that the permission is now revoked. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the settings page. This will apply your new permissions instantly. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled the Manage Live feature for the group owner in Telegram Web on your PC. This ensures that even as the owner, you, or anyone who becomes the owner, won't be able to start or manage live sessions unless you choose to re-enable it later. Stay tuned for more Telegram tips and updates, and keep your group management exactly the way you want it.